Okay, so welcome back, my Salesforce user group, Chandpur, India. And today I'm going to show you like platform event trigger flow in Salesforce and how to work on that and why we are using this platform event and what is the need of this platform event under the Salesforce. Okay, so you can see each and every term here, right? So let me do one thing. Yeah. So first of all, let me introduce myself. So my name is Rohit Kumar. I'm a Salesforce developer at Perfusion. I'm a community speaker. I have 4x Salesforce and 1x Copilot certified DevOps engineer. I'm a speaker, blogger, like Salesforce Hunt, and I'm a YouTuber and blogger, as you know. And this is my YouTube channel, right? And this is my Facebook page, and this is all related to my website and LinkedIn profile. Okay, so you can follow me and you can ask me any question, anytime, anywhere. Okay, any place. So if you have some query regarding related any topics under the Salesforce, so you can ask me every time. Okay, and also you can follow me my playlist under my channel under the YouTube. So this is the short introduction from my side. Now here I have some housekeeping rules here, like mute your mic first of all, keep adding question in chat window, and question will be answered in the last 10 minutes of this session. And let's get started again. So today agenda is here, like what is platform event? Okay, and platform event considerations, and then I will show you the demo, how to perform this platform event under the flow in Salesforce, right? So first of all, we have to understand what is platform event. Okay, so here platform event is based on the event driven architecture. Suppose you have some like external system in Salesforce is a different system, and we have like SAP or any related things like Oracle. So this is the another system, right? So if you if you want to send something, like if you happen something under the platform that is called external system, so Salesforce automatic captured by the platform event. Okay, so we will see this demo here. So it's a based on the like publish and subscriber model, we can say that. So like inside and outside of the Salesforce, so platform event are based on the public and subscribe model and work directly with this message bus. We have like event bus. Under the event bus we have one like we can say that one method. Under that method, that is called publish, and we have to pass that instance of the event, that is called underscore e. We can easily recognize this is the event. Okay, I will show you how to create the like platform event and how to use that platform event under the flow in Salesforce. So with the help of this event, that is called platform event, we have like message bus. So under that message bus we have lots of functions or method, we can say that, right? So here we can handle the queue of the incoming events and the processes, listening for them. So this is the built-in real-time integration pattern in the Salesforce platform, which helps to reduce point-to-point integrations, right? So no need worry about any single line of code like Apex, as you know very well. Salesforce totally based on the Apex. If you need some customization in your Salesforce or any related under the Salesforce module, okay, so you have to like out of box functionality. If you want to implement out of box functionality, so first of all you have to write your own custom business logic using Apex. That is the one thing here. Okay, now can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, we can hear.
We can hear.
Okay, fine. Actually, I got some message from one of the attendees, so showing like I can't hear you, something like that. So please check your mic first of all, and please rejoin this session. So maybe you will be get this voice, right? So please try yourself. Okay, now here we can reduce our like point-to-point integration, right? So if you have some integration, no need worry about like any related things some custom code in the Apex. So we can maintain these all things, right? So with the help of this platform event, we can maintain all things. So I will show you each and every demo under this session, right? So here, just go here, This is the first slide, and after that you can select platform event consideration. So once you have some platform event, and once you have like event trigger flow under the Salesforce, we have lots of options like pause flow interviews. So we can pause the event, and we can play the event, and we can next the event based on our need, right? So here, let's say processes are subscribed to the same platform, or it may be anything related any platform in Salesforce. Okay, so we cannot guarantee which one is process each event message first, and it's maybe queue, and like queue is based on the your inputs and outputs. So a flow can be receive a batch of event messages at a time, at once, up to a maximum of 200 events messages. We can send these messages up to 200. So we have some we can say that some like limitation under it. So please consider in your mind these things. First of all, like debug logs for the platform event, and trigger, that is called trigger flow under the resume flow interviews appear under the automated process user. So you have lots of user, and if you want to execute the flow for the specific user, so you can do that with the help of some permission set, and we can say that like profile level, right? So based on the user permission, we can specify our flow for the specific user. Okay, so this is the one thing, and this is a very most important we can say that point under the flow. If you need to check under the Salesforce how to provide this access to the specific user or group of user, or maybe like profile level, so you can do that with the help of some configuration, right? So let's get started. Next page. So I have lots of steps under this slide, and this slide based on the platform event, and this platform event having lots of functionality like how to customize our like chatter to grow, or like post to chatter, something like that. So in this demo I will show you this post to chatter under this session, right? So first of all, you have to follow this step, and you can go ahead and you can create your platform event. So here you can see under the quick find, under the quick find we have like integration tabs, right? So under this integration tab we have platform events. So under the platform events we have to create new platform event, otherwise you cannot get these things, right? First, please keep in your mind this thing. And after that we have second step. Under this second step, just create your custom event, that is called notification event. In my example you can see here like label and plural name, and then we can manage, that is called object name. So object name always comes, as you know very well, if you make it any object like teacher, or maybe like student, or this is another object that is called notification event, right? So in between you can see like notification and event, we have one space. So Salesforce, it is very intelligent. So it's automatic change your space into the underscore. So you can see the object name as like notification underscore event, right? And the public like publish behavior should be like publish after comment. So this should be like publish after comment, otherwise you will not get this platform event in your system. So this is the second step. Now we have another step here, right? Once you create your platform event under the Salesforce, now you can see the API name. So this is the API name. So if you don't know, like API is a application programming interface. So based on this name we can configure and we can customize our platform event underneath it. So this is the notification underscore event underscore e. As you know very well, if you want to create any custom object, right? So custom object always comes like teacher underscore c for the custom. So you can easily recognize these things like underscore c means custom. So based on this, underscore e means event. So this is the interview question. What is the difference between underscore c and underscore e? So this is related our events. So here, this is the one point here, right? After that, you can see like for automatic created field, this is the standard field. Okay, and come down here, and now you can see like custom fields and relationship. So you have to create your fields underneath in this object, in this event we consider, right? Now in this step you have seen here like the new button. So based on your need, so you can create your custom field, otherwise leave it as this, because I need some message like post to chatter. So how to provide this thing? So we have to configure like long text area. So we have to write this description under that text box, and we can provide this functionality with the help of lightning flows, right? So here like custom field and relationship, once you create any custom field, now you can see I just created like message and source. So you can see this is the custom field. One is like long text area, we have some limitation like 32,768 characters, and after that you can see like text box. So source is a text box, right? So you have to create two fields right now. So based on your need, no, this is not compulsory, like you always you can create these like fields message and source. This is the example purpose, right? So you can create your own field as well, right? So here, now after that you have to create your chatter group. So most of the people know like here that is called chatter, right? So chatter is nothing but it's an internal communication group, right? So if you have lots of teams and if you want to collaborate your knowledge between the pupils or maybe like your colleagues, so you can create your like public group or private group based on your need. So once you click on this chatter tab, now you can see like recent groups, and one is plus icon here. So once you click this plus icon, it's asking some information about the group, right? Like this one. So new group and name of the group. So I already given like the platform event notification group. You can give any description as well, because this is the best practice. Always follow this best practice. Once you write anything related to Salesforce, so it's always put your description under this box, right? And after that you can see like rich text area. So you can put your comments or anything related to here, right? Now here the next step is, once you created your group, so it's generate one id. Here you can see it's 18 digits id. So based on this 18 digit id, right? So we can perform our operation with the help of event bus. So event bus having lots of methods, one is publish and one is subscribe, right? So based on this id we can perform this public group is working or not in my case, so we can check later, right? So here now you can see platform event notification group. Once you created this group, you will be get this public group id. So just keep in your this id in your notepad or any text editor as you want, right? So this is a very most important id here, because without this id we cannot perform this like platform event under this Salesforce with the help of lightning flows, right? So here just focus on that steps. So we have lots of templates, as you know very well. Once you like if you want to create any lightning flow in the Salesforce, so you can see like screen flow, record trigger flow, schedule trigger flow, platform event trigger flow, and auto launch flow. So this kind of template we have. Okay, so first of all here, so right now we are focusing on this platform event trigger flow. So you have to check this template. Okay, and then you have to click on this create button and you will be get one that is called canvas under the lightning flow, right? So here now you can see like choose platform event. Once you create this event, so it's asking like platform event. So I already created like notification event. That's why you can see the API name notification underscore event underscore e means event. Now you can easily find out this name here in this text box, and finally you will be get these things. So here just you can do these things, otherwise you will not get this name here, right? Now next step is you have to perform your action. So what action you want to perform here? So I want to perform like post to chatter. So how to find out? So you can find out with the help of this all options. So once you click this all option and action name, you can search here, that is called post to chatter. It's a predefined things here under the flow. Now after that you have to give this that is called level name and API name. So API name is the automatic comes, as you know very well. Then you can give your description. This is the optional things, but based on your need or it's up to you. So you can give this description, otherwise leave it as it is. After that you can see like set inputs value. Under this set inputs value we have like message, target name or id, right? Then you can see this is the very most important concept here, that is called message. So what message you want to perform? So I want to perform my custom message from the like platform events, right? So here just a second. So now you can see like message. So you have to put your message under this global variable. So this is the global variable, as you know very well, right? Dollar once you see these things, that is called this curly bracket, then exclamatory mark, then dollar record. means this is the global variable. Under this global variable, we already created some custom field that is called message. Here you can see underscore c, this is the custom field, and we already created one source as well, right? And then you can see here target name or id. So this id is coming from my group id, chatter group id. I already shown in url. So just you have to maintain this id here, just copy and paste and like this, and after that you have to save it. And here next step is like how to perform our events. So now you can see I just created one platform event that is called notification underscore event underscore e, then some variable name, and just I initialize this that is called event here with the help of new keywords. So this is a constructor under left right side. Okay, so once you initialize this event, now you can see different types of methods underneath it. Once you take this evt means variable dot, and once you press the control and space key, so it's automatic showing under the developer console. So this is the one developer console screenshot here, and you can put your field here. So I already created this field that is called message underscore c, and you can put your message from here. That is called, this is a string, because we already given like as a long text area. So if you have lots of things under this long text area, so you can put your string here, right? So after that you can see like event bus, and this event bus is a responsible to publish this event into the Salesforce. So how to do that? So just event bus dot publish, and under this publish we have to pass that is called one variable. Here you can see this evt, and just you can perform your operation, and you will be see this message where in chatter group we already created. I will show you with practical each and every step, so don't worry about that. So now you can see once you execute that code, so it's a automatic comes this message here in the chatter. So you can see like message from external system via developer console. So you will be see this message here, because if anything happened, because right now I'm not using any external system here, that's why, because some reason in upcoming session, or maybe in like in upcoming topics we will see these things. Okay, due to some reason. And here you can see just I am using only developer console, and you can perform your platform event here, right? So now you can see my message that is called message from external system via developer console here. And after that you finish your job and you will be get this answer here, right? Now it's time to do what practical part. So how to perform the practical, let me show you here. So here in my Google Chrome browser, just you have to log in your org. So here just login.salesforce.com, and if you have already have your login credential, username and password, so you can enter. Otherwise you can create your developer edition as you free based on your need, right? So let me enter my password here, and then we will see this org here. So first step is, first of all you have to create your platform event. So how to create the platform event under the Salesforce? Just you have to go this quick find and search like platform. Once you search this platform, now you can see under the integration, that is called integration segment. Under this segment you can select platform events. So you have to click this platform event here, and once you click this platform event, you have to create a new one. So I already created notification event. Just I want to show you how to create and how to maintain this event here. Just click this notification event. Otherwise you can create your own as well, no worry, right? So now just click this notification event here, and after that you can see each and every details underneath it. Okay, so here you can see like singular level, that is called notification event. This is the label, and this is the plural. You know very well, if you want to create any custom object under Salesforce, you can see these all fields like label, plural names, and object name and API name, these all kind of things, right? So you can see like I just given this notification event here, and now this is the API name. You can easily understand underscore e means event. So this is the platform event. So you can easily understand with the help of we can say postfix, right? That is called underscore e here, right? So now I just created this event here. Come down here, now you can see this standard field and custom field, and relations. So you can create your field based on your need. I just created two custom field, that is called message. This is the long text area, here you can see, and one is a source. So source is a related our text, right? So I have created two custom field here underneath it. So this is the way to create your platform event. So this is the platform event. Now how to create your chatter group, because I want to post to chatter something. So what, any message in your group or maybe in your company group based on your need. So how to do that? In the app launcher, just search like chatter here. Under this chatter, just click this chatter. Okay, and once you click this chatter, okay, so here just you have to do what, create your like recent groups here. Okay, no like no streams, something like that related, these all other things, but now just focus on that, that is called recent group. So you can create your new group with the help of this plus icon. So once you click this plus icon, so it's asking my group name. So what is my group name, description, or this text area, and after that you can see the owner. Right now I'm in like I am owner in this group, so you can see my name here. After that you can see like disable automatic achieving and access type. So we have two types of access level here, like one is public and private. Okay, so based on your need, so you can make it like public and private. After that you can see like allow customer and broadcast only. So we have lots of things, but you don't worry about these all options. You have to select the public here for this example purpose, and just click on the save and next, and it's asking like some logo of your particular groups or not. So if you want to make it like any logo in your group, so you can choose from these options and you can put your logo in here. Okay, after that you have to add your user. So we have lots of user in your org, in my org, or as well your org. So based on your need, so you can add the user here. So we have like predefined user, integration user, custom user. So if you don't know about the user, so you can go ahead here and search here, that is called users. And here now you can see different types of options underneath it. So now you can see the user and profile and the user and user. So this is the main things. Okay, so I have lots of shortcuts things, so don't worry about you have to every time you have to enter or every time you have to search under the quick find. No need, because you are smart or I am smart, based on your requirement you can choose that. So I already created, and this is the standard user. You can see like user integration and user security, and Tom and Jerry, you can see this is my user, and also chatter expert. So based on your need, so you can add your user in that particular group. Okay, so here just here you can see like my name here, that is called system administrator. Right now I'm a system administrator, so that's why you can see my profile that is called system administrator. So based on your need, you can create your user and you can assign the profile that particular user. Okay, so this is the one thing here. After that you have to create like flow. So how to create the flow, I will show you here. Okay, so under the quick find you can search like as a flows. Okay, now under the process automation, and if you don't see these things, so let's say this particular user, that is called Jerry and Tom and Jerry, based on your first name and last name. So based on your need, so you can do that here. So if you don't see anything related my flow, so you just go ahead in particular user and just click on this edit button, and now you can see one option that is called flow, run flows. So here you can select flow user. So this is the options under the user, so user level. So if you want to show this flow that particular user, so you can check this checkbox, otherwise you can access that flow as a system administrator. Right now I'm a system administrator, that's why I am taking this flow in my system. Okay, if you want to make it this flow to other user, so you can check this option, or you can go ahead in this particular profile that is called this is the standard profile that is called standard user custom. So how to go that particular profile, so you can go here and search like profile. Okay, so this is a profile, so just click this user profile here. Okay, and once you go this profile, just search your profile. So how to go, so you can search here. If you don't see anywhere this profile, let me search the user profile. Just click this user profile here. and now you can see the profile, right? And after that, just click this sorting. We have like, this is the sorting, like A to Z or other and all, you know very well. And if you don't know, so you can learn from here. So just click on this S, and once you click this S, now you can see one checkbox that is called custom. So this is the one column, and now you can see one checkbox is here. Now you can see like standard user custom, right? So just click this standard user custom, and this is the profile level access. So how to provide the access to the flow? So based on this profile, so we already created this profile, now you have to edit this. And once you added this profile, now you have to search, that is called flow. So just control F in my browser, and like flow. Once you search the flow, so just go down here, we have lots of options here, like run flow. So this is the another option, okay, under the profile level. So if you give this profile level, let's say we have like one profile, like a custom profile, right? So under this custom profile, we have lots of user like ABC or XYZ, right? So once you check this checkbox, so all the user applicable to run the flow. Otherwise, you cannot see any flow in your profile without this checkbox. That is the one thing here, right? So I don't make it this user as a like run flows. So here, just here you can see like run flows. Just uncheck it, and because I want to execute my flow only system administrator. So how to check that? So just you can go here, that is called user. Just click this user tab, and now you can see my name, that is called Kumar Rohit. This is the last and first name, as you know very well, and this is like system administrator profile, right? So how to create the flow? So we can create the flow here, just under the quick find, just search like flows. Okay, once you search the flow, now you can see process automation. Just click this flow here, and we have lots of flow here, right? So we can if you have already created flow, you can see here based on your need. Okay, and after that, you will be see here that is called like process type, active, template, these all columns, right? So based on your need, so you can do that. So here you can see like flow trigger explorer. This is the like summer 22, sorry, this is spring 22. So you can see this option here, right? And now you can see another option that is called new flow. So based on your need, so you can create. So if you want to create any plate like a flow, so you can click on this new flow, and you can see all the templates as we discussed in my slide, right? Like screen flow, record trigger flow, platform, schedule, automation, based on your, just you have to select this template, because right now we are working on this platform event. Now you can see this platform event trigger flow here, right? And just you have to create that. So once you create that, you will be see this thing. I will show you here. I already created one flow here, and now you will be see this flow here. So let me check like notification flow here. Okay, or last modify, or like let me search here like notification related. Okay, so here let me show you if anything is like platform event trigger flow. So let me click this platform event trigger flow. You can follow this step, I will show you. Just you have to edit this one, and now you can search your platform event. So this platform is event is related to your created event under the Salesforce. So you can see your event here. Okay, so just you have to search here, and it will be showing here. Once you like notification, and then you can see my notification event, notification underscore event underscore e here, right? So this is the options, or the we can see here under the platform event. Just close it, because we already created this one, and now you can see another option that is called action, because I need this action. So you can drag and drop element if you don't know about the flow. So you can learn here, or you can learn any resources in the world, or we can say that world wide web. Okay, so now just click on this action, and now you can see my action. I created this name that is called platform event message received, and now you can see my global variable that is called message record dot message underscore c. So this is the global variable here to here, just record, that is called, this is the global here. After that you can see my custom field we already created under that particular event here, right? So now you can see that target name or id. Okay, so this is the our chatter group id we already created, and after that you have to click on this done button. So once you've done these things, now you have to check this flow. So just save this flow, we already saved it here. You can select platform event trigger flow version 1. If you need some modification, so always best practice, you can make it the clone on that particular version, right? And you can work accordingly. Now you can see different types of options here, like run, debug, deactivate or activate based on your need, like save as and save. So save button is disabled or gray out, we can see that here because of this flow already saved. That's why you can see save as a gray out button here. And if you want to make it as a clone, so you can make it as a clone based on your need. So how to run this flow? So we can run this flow once the platform event is happen under the Salesforce. So how to do that? So you can execute that platform event if anything is occurred under the Salesforce org. So it's automatic captured by the platform event, and now and then after that you can see my flow, it's automatic execute. So how to do that? Just this gear icon, click on this developer console, and once you click this developer console, now you have to execute that particular platform event. So how to do that? Just open the that is called anonymous window. Okay, so shortcut is like control E under the window. If you are using any operating system, so based on your keys, keyboard key, so you can make it here. So now you can see my anonymous window. So how to execute my, that is called event. So just you have to copy that event. So let me make it here, that is called platform event. So you can search platform and click on this platform event here. Now you can see notification event, right? Now just copy this API name because I need this API name here. And once you copy this API name, just create the instance of that particular event, like evt equal to new, and then this is the constructor here. And after that you have to do what, some messages like chat, post to chat. So how to do that? Evt dot, once you click this evt and dot, it will be showing like some like custom field related this object. So based on your internet connection or based on your like configuration, so it will be showing here. Okay, so now you can select evt dot message. So how to get that custom field? So you can get the custom field that is called message here. Just copy this API name and paste it here, and after that you can give any message as you want. Let's say this is custom message from developer console with like this one, enough, right? After that we have like event bus. So event bus is a predefined method here. You can see here one class, under this class we have some static method. So event bus is a class here that is called event bus, and after that you can see lots of methods here, right? So this is lots of methods under it. So event bus, after event bus you can see different types of methods under it. So you have to search like publish. So based on your need, like SOP object, like list of object, so based on your need, so you can do that. So let me take it this one. So right now we don't have any like list of object or as object based on your need, so you can do that based here. So now we have to publish this event. So just copy this instance and paste it under this method that is called evt here. And now after that click on this execute button. Before that let me show you anything is here or not. So here just search like chatter. So just click on this chatter here, and after that, yeah, so here previously you can see like 2 hours ago message from external system via developer console, right? And after some time you will be see my message that is called this is custom message from developer console. You will be see this once you execute this button. Okay, so just click on this execute button, and now you will be see this message under the chatter. So here, let me show you here, like chatter home. This is the recently created like chats here. Okay, so how to do that? So just here, click on this execute button. Just click on this execute button, and after that, once you execute this one, now you have to refresh this one, this page, and you will be see my custom message here. So just let me refresh. Now you can see here, just now you can see, because something is happen under the Salesforce. That's why it's a automatic occur and automatic recognize with the help of platform event. Now you can see just now. Okay, and now you can see this is custom message from developer console. So you can uh, post it your message based on your need. So this is the way to work on the platform event under the Salesforce using flow. Okay, so here this is the way. Okay,